Okay, today I got my brand new Spartan shoes. Came in the mail today. Regular post, I guess it ships from UPS to U.S. Postal Service. So they delivered it. A little bit beat up, but that's all right. All right, it's a nice box with the Spartan logo, craft. On the side here it says, "For world champions and everyday heroes." Alright, let's take a look inside. And you got your craft tissue. Then on the inside it says, "Transform the impossible." Awesome. Alright, take a look at it here. Okay. Well, I got the blue shoes. Wow, it looks real nice. Lightweight. And you got the logo, the shield, Obstatech. I guess that's the branding for this rubber part, I guess. But yeah, I really like this rubber part. It really gives good protection. And all around, it's sort of like a webbing. So that's great. Again, the high drain. I guess it's for our water drainage. There's 2 ports on that side, 4 on this side. I guess it's just like the all-terrains. Same concept. Let me look up top here. Really nice, lightweight nylon with some ribbings for extra protection. But I really like this rubber. This is really gonna do some nice work. And you got your toe guard for rocks and for burpees. Alright, well, here's something. On this side, for the rope climb, this right here has got a rubber protection here, which is nice. And just like the all-terrains, you got your rope grip. You got your nice threads for climbing those muddy hills. Very sturdy. Nice. Take out the stuffing here. The inside. Craft. Made in China. Of course, like everything else. Or like the threads, or like the Solomon's, but of a lighter material. Seems to be some kind of a cotton. It's not like the I guess the Solomon's had a more nylon feel to it. Anyway, you got this rubber thing here. I'm not sure exactly what that's for. Maybe it's to keep the threads in place. I don't know. But yeah, good reinforced nylon loops. Pretty sturdy bottom, so it's not that very flexible, but it's good and sturdy. Let's see what the other one looks like. Yeah, all the same. The guard feels nice and roomy. All right, here's something you probably don't get to look at much. Let's look at the Insole. Well, I'm kind of like this Insole. It's you know, when you're in the water, it's for drainage. Look at that. It's got all these honeycombs all the way through. That's smart. I think they really thought this out very well. Wow. So that's got to be very good. Huh. I can't wait to try this out in the water. We'll see how this drains. But anyway, I wanted to share the first look, the unboxing, I guess you'd call it. Yep. Well, just got this today. It's whatever it is. What's June 15th or June 14th? Yep. Very nice. I like it. All right. That's it. tomorrow I'll go out, do some running in those things.